Hey everybody, it's Matt Sisk from At Home for Good, where time waits for no one. Super glad that you found my channel. If you found this video, you are on video number 6 of a series of how to make $7,500 a month step by step using a program called Endless Income Academy, or you will hear us call it EIA. EIA is an amazing program that was built by a couple of buddies of mine, John Artsberger and JD Savage. These guys have been fantastic to me, fantastic to my family, but they've really been helpful to help me learn this process and get me on my way to making a very, very decent living and quitting my job. So that is everybody's goal, is to try and get away from the 9 to 5. Well, I'm here today because I want to help you get away from your 9 to 5 jobs. So today's video, JD Savage is going to go over another income stream that is part of Endless Income Academy. So this one's called This program has a super low entry level, and so it's really a nice one that may bring in, anywhere from 1,000 up to 5,000, 4,000 some change per month. So I don't know about you, that'd make a huge difference in my world. That's what we want for you. So pay attention to the video. If you have any comments, if you have any questions, if you have any concerns, put them in the comments below. If you'd like to get started with EIA, all you got to do is just go down, and under the More tab, there's going to be a link in there that you can click on that can show you the entire program, get you signed up, get you started. All right, let's do this.
What's good, y'all, and welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is JD Savage, and Perfect Millionaires is my YouTube channel. So this is video 6 of a series that I've started creating, and this series is a little unique because you may not be seeing this on the Imperfect Millionaires channel. And that's because I'm building a series out right here, Real Talk, MMO, right, Make Money Online, for Endless Income Academy. And what that means is, if you're not familiar, we make all the content and the affiliates get to use the content. So if you're not familiar with that, and you're not familiar with what I'm talking about, then you should probably drop back here to video 1. This is more of just an intro video. Feel free to watch it, but it's not completely necessary. But video 1 here, if you're interested in jumping in and learning, we've got over 12 income streams inside Endless Income Academy. They're all tied to one link, meaning that you can post one link. We do the telling and selling so that you don't have to, just like what I'm doing right now. We've got a mastermind. We've got Saturday morning meetings to answer questions for new people. Or existing people, obviously. Just to answer questions is really what I'm getting at. So, all that said, what I would suggest you do, if you haven't seen this, any of these videos, is probably come back here to 1 and get to watching it. And if you're not familiar with how to find that, a lot of times you go to a YouTube channel and it doesn't look the same as what the guy's showing you on YouTube. If you're looking for this is a playlist, right? You just come up here, you click on playlist, you'll see a drop-down menu. You will see this, and you can select this and go. But as I said, don't be alarmed if you're not seeing this on Imperfect Millionaires. That means one of the affiliates inside of Endless Income Academy has taken the series as I've instructed them to do, altered it slightly, very easily, and put it on their YouTube channel so they too can build a YouTube channel. That's what we're doing here at Endless Income Academy, okay? All right, so without further ado, those of you that have seen all these videos, what we're going to be covering today is we're going to be covering one of the income streams inside of Endless Income Academy, all right? One of the bonus income streams. So let's jump over here, bonus income stream. And I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time on this because it's pretty straightforward, but it's My Traffic Powerline. Some of you are already familiar with it. Some of you aren't. It's a little tool that we use. It gives you clicks on a link. It also is an extra income stream. I got somewhere around, I don't know, $1,500 a month, $1,600 a month, maybe a little more. I don't know. I don't really pay that much attention to this one because, frankly, it's not a massive earner, but it is inexpensive and a lot of people will use it. It is also something, guys, for all of you inside of Endless Income Academy, check it out. You can make videos. You can make videos about this separately, is what I started to say there, and I kind of lost my train of thought. So you could do a review video. All of the income streams that you have, you should do a review video on. Matter of fact, you should be doing a review video on Endless Income Academy itself, all right? Putting it on your YouTube channel. If that's something that you want to create now, that's not really something I can create and have you, I mean, I guess I can, and I guess maybe I will, but it's not as impartial as if you do it yourself, a review video. So I guess I'll go ahead and make one and thinking about that, but I don't think it's as impartial. But anyway, this video is getting longer than I planned, so we're going to jump on in. If you're not familiar with this, guys, you just jump in here. You put in your links for all of your bonus income streams. When somebody comes into Endless Income Academy using your opt-in page or your landing page. That's tracked to you through cookies. Any of those that they purchase, you get a commission for it. All right? It's really that simple. Okay, so let's move over here to MTP. This is the page that you will see after you go through the opt-in page. All right? But I came here because there's a video about it, and we're just going to kind of play that, and it's pretty short. We'll go ahead and play the video, and then I will give you a few more details on it. It kind of explains everything. We'll go over a few more things. This whole thing is either $20 a month or $200 a year, so it's very inexpensive. It's just another tool. As I said, it earns me at least $1,500 a month, right? Because it is inexpensive. It's a pretty easy thing to put out there on the market because everybody's looking for traffic, all right? So you can take any affiliate link, to be clear. It doesn't have to be, they do offer, you can use their affiliate link and you can market My Traffic Powerline. Or you can market, like I'm showing you to do, a bunch of things all at one time, okay? That's what these bonus income streams are all about inside of EIA as well. Okay, and the reason this one's there is because I've used it and I've done well with it, right? Okie doke. Without further ado, let's hit the play button. Ready? I'm gonna shut up now.
Hello, and welcome to My Traffic Powerline. Every marketer needs and wants real-time traffic from real people who are actively looking for an online business to earn more income. Millions of people are looking for ways to get more quality traffic to their affiliate or network marketing website, and My Traffic Powerline provides that service at a very affordable price. You get 100 actual real people clicks to your website or lead capture page for only $20 a month. And we have two awesome plans to meet anyone's marketing budget, a monthly plan and a yearly plan, which includes extra bonuses and value. For those who are committed to ongoing success, our yearly plan offers a $40 savings, 300 extra clicks, and a full year of commission qualification. High quality traffic is so
Okay, real quick there. What they're saying is $20 a month or $200 a year, and you get 300 extra clicks. Okay, so instead of 1,200, which is 100 a month, you get 1,500. All right.
desperately needed by literally millions of people around the world, that many of our members join for the traffic alone. That's how awesome our product is. And for those who like to create multiple streams of income, My Traffic Powerline has a pay plan that is the best in the industry. We have a 2x12 forced matrix paying 60 cents a person per level, no matter how they got there, with no sponsorship required to earn up to $4,915 per month. We also have 4 generations of check matching bonuses based on your rank. Sponsor 2 personals and become rookie and receive a 25% check matching bonus on your first generation. Sponsor 5 personals, you achieve the rank of pro, and you unlock a 25% check matching bonus on your second generation. Sponsor 10 personals, you achieve the rank of champion, and you unlock the third generation of 25% check matching bonuses. Sponsor 25 personals, and you have reached the rank of legend, and you unlock a 25% check matching bonus on your fourth generation. Members from countries all over the world will quickly be earning high 5-figure incomes monthly, and
So I think that's a little over exaggeration, quickly, right? So, I mean, you can, this is a simple thing because it's inexpensive and everybody's looking for traffic. And for those of you that know me, you know I'm not big on MLMs, right? And I don't deal with too many of them. This is one I deal with just because of the low entry and because it's traffic, right? Is the bottom line, that's why. Anyway, I just thought I'd mention that.
6-figure monthly incomes are very realistic for those who understand the massive market for premium traffic and the phenomenal potential of our Powerline Matrix compensation plan. Of course, there are no income guarantees. Your income depends mainly on your own efforts and your ability to find people who align with our vision. But with our tools and completely automated system, that's easier than ever. It's like launching a business and then flipping on the autopilot switch. And the leads that come in from your own efforts will all go into your downline. But that's just the beginning. My Traffic Powerline employs a secret weapon of sorts. You see, our system finds pre-enrollees daily for all of our members at an accelerated pace. And some of those people can be placed in your downline once you activate your monthly or annual membership plan. Yes, timing.
Okay, that is true. There's a lot of folks that had nothing to do with me that were placed in the downline. So they're not just making that part up.
It does matter. And we all know it because most of us have experienced being in the right place at the right time at least once in our lives. Or we know someone who has made a fortune by taking action with a company that has a clear vision and massive global potential. My Traffic Powerline is that company. We know this, and we know that some of our members will embrace MTP and join us with their own passion and vision to earn a fortune. And if you're not sure yet if what we offer is what you're looking for, we invite you to explore our website and ask any questions you like. We strive to be a company that sets a new bar for transparency and excellence in customer service. If you understand the awesome value of what we're offering, we would like to be the first to welcome you to My Traffic Powerline. Simply get back to the person who shared this link with you.
Okay, so you get what's going on here, guys. Bottom line, they describe the matrix and all the stuff. That's not really something I focus too much on. I just focus on going to work and helping people solve a problem, and that's what this does. It's traffic, and it also offers a affiliate program. Okay, so earn $25 fast start bonus when you enroll someone at a monthly rate. Earn a $50 fast start bonus when you enroll someone at a yearly rate. Plus, you'll receive 60 cents per level on our 2x12 force matrix. Okay. So ultimately, guys, it's not a big deal. If this doesn't appeal to you, okay, fine. I'm put it here because it's something that I've done very well with. It has a very low cost to enter. This is something that you guys could also be producing content on and driving traffic to your link. The opt-in page is already set up. The funnel's already built. The video you just watched is the video that other people will see. It doesn't get much simpler than that, okay? It's really, really, really simple. And because of the low cost, especially the $20 a month, you know, I'd say probably 50-50. You know, a lot of the folks, 50% of the folks tend to do the annual $240, and 50% of the folks tend to do the $20 a month. But it's got a good retention. The people hang around. They send out their emails. Again, you can use any link. It's extremely easy to use. You literally just go post your link, and there's instructional videos. I'm not going to walk through them all because it is just that simple, you guys, okay? And in addition to that, it's a bonus income stream inside of Endless Income Academy. So guys, if you haven't gotten started with Endless Income Academy, jump back to video 1 or drop down below this video where it says more or show more. Click on that and the video description will open up. You're going to find a link to Endless Income Academy to get started, and you're going to find a link to My Traffic Powerline to get started if you're already in EIA, okay? All right, guys, so that being said, I'm going to end the video there. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. We're happy to answer any questions, and I will see you in the next video. And I hope y'all are rocking and rolling and making lots of money. See you in the next one.